Yeah. So last class we discussed about like in correlation arguments we discussed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in correlation functions we discussed like ordinal also we are done. Ordinal, ordinal, save length, save offset, not found, we are discussed. So what is the ordinal stand for? Anyone?
Occurrence of the
Yeah.
dynamic value is
Yes.
called ordinal.
Yes. When we are given ordinal is equal to all, it become an array and display the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. And I want from the third occurrence, then ordinal is equal to 2 or 3 unit to give. That is the ordinal. And save length. What is the save length?
Specify how many characters from dynamic value based on left boundary and left
Specify the
right.
how many character we supposed to capture. Okay. Specify the how many character we supposed to capture. That is the save length. What is the save offset?
Specify number of characters supposed to skip the
Yes, skip
dynamic
the
value.
dynamic value. Okay. So means that is the save length and save offset. So when we are given from the save length and save offset, first will work the save offset. For example, this is the Denver is the dynamic value. So you are given from the these two also. Save length and save offset is the 3 you are given. What will happen? First of all, save offset it will work. How many character we need to skip? The save offset is equal to 3. So these 3 character will be skipped. Okay. And how many character you are capturing? After that, this will work. How many? 3. 3 means you will get from the VER. Otherwise, you are given 2 and what will get output? Hello? In Denver, you need to skip the 3 characters and capture the 2. Then what is the output? Krishna? Prasad?
It will throw error. And
No. Why it is throwing error? See, this I given from the like this as a arguments. So what I told when you are given these two, first will work offset. What is the offset? It will how
3.
many characters skip? So how many character I am skipping? 3. I gave it. So these 3 character will be skipped. After that, I want to capture only 2 characters. Then after Denver, how many characters means 2 means VE. Means we'll get from the only VE. Okay. Otherwise, I want from the only R. So I want to from the output. Okay. Only R. Anyone can explain from the like how many character I need to give from the save offset, how many character save length?
Save offset five, sir.
Okay.
Save length 1.
Okay. That's it. So that is the save length and save offset. Okay. So based on that, right, we need to use from the this save length and save offset and alternate. And one more is the not found. So not found is equal to warning is the actually. So not found if you are not given here, okay, we are not given from the any not found also. So if not given not found also by default, if you not given also it is throwing as a warning error. So you can observe we are here given this. For example, I will removing this. Okay. I am removing this. Now what I can do is just I will execute. See what in throw? It is a throw as a error. What is that? See, it is throw as a error. No match found error. Requested parameter. Like boundaries will be mismatch. So Means you are not given from the not found is equal to particular error, even though it is throwing as a error. Okay, so means what is the default value of the not found is equal to error. And so maybe I want to skip this. Why I am skipping this means maybe I am getting from the number of times I am spending from the here itself I am spending. So end of the day, today end of the day, almost 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I am trying from the one where like a dynamic value only. What I am doing, I am changing from the boundaries, again I am executing, I am changing boundaries, again executing, again, it is failing. So end of the day, my lead asked to like how much percentage your scripting is completed. I told as a just 1%. Then what will happen is cold. Why? So we need to complete from the at least 70 to 80%. But you are in why you are completed. You told as I stuck here. So that is not a good answer. So what we can do, just you can skip this step and it can continue from the till end of the script also. How we can do means we need to give from the not found is equal to warning. Then if you observe now, see now your script will be passed till end it will execute. See logout till logout is like it will execute. So you can observe here. This throwing as a pass only. You can observe, but you can observe here. Thing. See, you can observe no match found the requested parameter array. What it is thrown? Warning is thrown. Why? Because I don't spend from the more time from this particular one dynamic value. So that is why in that situation I skipped and it will continue from the till end. Okay. After that find flight and this all also it is done. Okay. So in this situation point of view, you can use from the not found is equal to warning. And we have one more thing. We have the arguments also very important. Like interview point of view should be very, very important. And convert is a one of the argument convert. So what is the convert means? We need convert from the HTML to URL. Our dynamic value HTML to URL. Like it is the already it is there in HTML format. So client is expecting from the URL format. Then in that function we need to give from the convert is equal to HTML to URL unity. Otherwise, you want from the like URL to HTML, you can give from the URL to HTML and plain to text, text to plain. So we can convert from the our dynamic value, which format we want, we can convert. That is the convert function. And we have the one more argument also will be there, like rel frame ID. Rel frame ID is equal to. So this rel frame ID nothing but, for example, you can see here. Okay, our response contain we have the like 1.0 and 1.1 frames. In that 1.0, we have the frames 1.1 and that 1.1, 1.1 and 1.1.2 and 2.1 and 2.2. So we have the like this will be there. Sometimes will be response. Okay. Means your dynamic value, maybe it will be there in here also it will be there. Maybe here also it will be there. So at that time, you have the multiple frames will be there. We need to mention from the, okay, rel frame ID is equal, this is 1.1.2. So we need to mention from the like this when your response contains in your any one of the frame. Okay. So and we have any other means. Okay. So this all will be arguments for us. So every argument also very important. Interview point of view, definitely they will ask from the ordinal. Okay. And the save length, save offset and not found. This will be asked. So every time no need to use from the when you are doing from the correlation as a dynamic value, when you are handling, no need to give from the every time save length, save offset, ordinal. So if it is you have requirement, then you can use. Otherwise, only we need to give from the parameter name, LB and RB and last. That's it. Got it? So these are the correlation functions, and we have the multiple functions will be there correlation. I will show you. Okay, in step toolbars. Not only we have all functions will also will be there. First of all, when we are come to the function point of view, functions. So I will explain from the all also. Now we can observe web break separum. So this is also one of the correlation function, and web break separum attribute also one of this. Web break separum ex, web break separum jsr, web break separum regexp, regular expression, web break separum xpath. So these all also it is a correlation functions. We can do from the manually, means if you want to do from the this, you can just click this. So it will ask from the like details, parameter name. What is the parameter name? For example, you are doing from the section ID. Okay. Okay, for example, we are doing from the user section. We can give from the user section. Okay, and left boundary. You need to give from the boundaries. Left boundary and right boundary. And you can observe you have the ordinal is there. Save length will be there. Save offset will be there. Means if you want from this anything ordinal or save length, save offset, you can give here. If you don't want, no need to give anything. Okay, if you give this and automatically function will be, it will be generated. If you do, see, you click this function, it is generated. Where it is generated. I think I did here. That is what it is. But just you can observe web break separum ex is the our correlation function. This is the parameter name and left boundary and right boundary. You can observe here. I am not given from the slash. Automatically it is done. Where it is means web break separum it will not happen. If you do from the web break separum ex or regular expression, you will get from the like this. Automatically it will handle from the that double colons also it will handle. Means this function where you want, you need to first of all, what for example, I want to write from the this function in here. So you can click here and you can which one you want you can add. For example, I want from the web expression. Same way you need to give from the regular expression will be different. I will show that also very important. First of all, I will show after that we'll explain from the. So we have the function web underscore reg underscore save underscore. You can observe web break separum reg exp param underscore reg exp. Okay. Before that, what we can do means I will show the expression. We can write from the reg exp is equal means regular expression is equal. What you need to write means, so this is the dynamic value. So your dynamic value place, we need to give from the bracket open, dash, star, question mark, and close this. So now left text, what is there? You can just put it from the left text as a left boundary, and right text is the right boundary. So regular expression we need to give from the like this. So now what you can do, just you can give from the this expression in here. Okay, here. Okay, here is a parameter name, some session ID, something. Okay, regular expression. And here also we have the ordinal will be there if you want to give from the ordinal. Okay, Then again, you can click on this. See function, it is generated. Parameter name, regular expression is equal, search filter, last. Means based on from the, like, if you can boundaries you have correctly, then you can use from the web break save param ex is fine. If you don't have, then you can like if it is a LB RB anything means you can use from the web break save param reg exp. As same to the one more thing main important reg exp. So in this dynamic value point of view, it will be their characters or any special characters or so any special characters will be there, it will be handle this, but our boundary based will not handle from the special character this. So that is why if it is special characters numeric alphanumeric will be there, we can use from the regular expression. So this dot star question mark indicate that. So if it is a like numeric or alphabets, okay, otherwise special characters also will be there, it will be captured. So like this we can do from the web break separum, this we can do from like this. Okay, so no need to write from the manually, we can do from the some auto, right? Nothing but just you can click this and automatically function will be generated and you are doing. Okay, so this is the way we can do, and we have one more JSON also will be there. So JSON also same thing we can give. Okay, but JSON some different will be there compared to this. So function will be web break say from JSON only. See, for example, student, okay, student one. Student one having from the name, class, okay, address, some details, whatever may be, okay, will be there. Again, next student two there. Again, student two also same details will be there, right? So student two also same details, but name, class will be address will be different. So means in this like this will be there your dynamic value. Okay, so we can use from the JSON. So we that is the query path. It will ask from the query path. So just we can give from the parameter name, and we need to give from the like so just will give this, and here query string we need to read and click on okay. See, it will be query string, it will written like this. And here I told like we have the name will be there, like this will be there. So at that time what we can do means we need to write from the 1 and 2. Okay, in open curly brace, in curly brace, that we need to give from the how many you have. For example, we have how many? 3. So you need to give from the like this 3. Okay, so that is the JSN one. So which one we can comfort, we can use. Okay, that is the JSN. So these all will be our correlation functions. So interview question also they will ask. So how many functions we can do from the correlation? We can do from the web break separum, web break separum EX, web break separum JSON, web break separum reg exp. Okay, so what is the difference between web break separum to reg EX? Means if it is the expressions we have, so we can use from the web break separum EX. Maybe it is a JSON format will be there, then we want to capture JSON, then we can use that. And regular expression means we want to capture from the any special characters or numeric or alphanumeric will be there, we can give from that. Okay.
Yeah.
this is the correlation, okay, entire concept. So, but you guys will be complete from the all correlation values. Okay, in our script, I don't have from the time, so that is why I'm not doing from the all. Okay, but you should complete from the all correlation values. Okay, manual correlation you need to practice. Okay, auto correlation means that is the very easy concept. Okay, if it is possible, you can do from the your company. Anyone asks means you can do from the auto correlation. Otherwise, you can mainly practice from the manual correlation. The manual correlation I explained from the like where to find the function different ways. One is from the code generation wise. Okay. One is from the code generation wise. Okay. And one is from the like control F. You can click on control F and select from the dynamic values, select a snapshot view, then click on the, you will get from the different find all. Okay. Think now we'll get or not because this script we don't have from the recording. Okay. Yeah. Got it. I think that will be here only it will show. Okay. So if you click here, right here it is what we can display. Means I think we can see other script. Yeah. Okay. So like if it is the where is the replay response? If you click like this, it will assist you where you write the function and it will show the snapshot. So your boundaries also you can take. Okay. So we can do from the like this from the correlation. So correlation concept will be completed for us. And tomorrow we'll discuss. You guys can practice well. Tomorrow we'll discuss from the in correlation what kind of interview question they will ask. Okay. We'll discuss from the entire correlation concept and we can practice also tomorrow. Everyone practice tomorrow, today and tomorrow end of class. So once you are good, then we can jump the another topic. But before that, I will conduct from the system test and as into the tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will record one script. If you are a friend of you, I will do from the all scripting announcements. So like if you are really you are working from the experience means how we can record and after record what we can do, I will explain from the one class entire scripting part. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it today class and you guys can practice. So see you also what you are doing, right? So for example, I'm doing user section. You guys only doing from the user section. After that, dynamic value you are not doing like departure city and like we have the seat preferences, seat type and here outbound flight. So like it's not only this script, okay? Every script you should complete from the all dynamic values, then only your scripting will be correlation point of view completed. Okay. So thank you for joining and we'll catch tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Bye.